Alright, we're just rolling with this one. Literally, I've been trying this for like 5 times to get it just right, but I can't seem to friggin' get it right at all. What I want to show you guys, bam, look at this cool paddle. It's awesome, right? Like, bam, cardboard, duct tape, masking tape. Wah boom, wah boom, wah boom. What does it do? There's an X button underneath this, and I wonder if I can show it to you. Yeah, right there, bam. Yeah, that's right. And I hit that thing, nudging my arm up, or nudging my hand up. Why is this important? I don't have to move my thumb to do so. I can just keep it here. So when I'm playing like Fortnite, for example, bam, I jump and I move. Here, I have a demonstration. Bada bing, bada freaking boom. So you keep it like that. Jump. Look to the left, jump. Look down, jump. Look up, jump. Look to the right, jump. Easy jumps. If you guys have any suggestions for how to improve this, or you have any suggestions to to add another paddle to the left side, so that way I can hit these buttons, because I moved my editing button over here, and so that way I don't have to do this. I'd gladly hear from you in the comments below. I'll be sure to credit you in the next video that talks about this. Other than that, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.